Welcome to VAK's lecture. In this video, we will discuss about a distributed operating system. Already we have seen that a multiprocessor operating system is used to distribute the work in process on multiple processors in a single system. But in today's world, it is really hard to manage everything on a single computer system. There is a requirement of a group of computers to distribute day by day increasing workload. But manually distributing each program and process over all computers would be a hectic job. So, as multiprocessing operating system manages the distribution on different processors on single system, similarly, the distributing operating system is also responsible to distribute and manage work over every computer system. If you have not seen my videos on operating system, you can find it here. Links are in description box. So let us continue. A distributed operating system is a software over a collection of independent networked communicating and physically separate computational nodes. So by the definition, it may look something complex, but don't get any confusion. I will try to make it simple. So let us say we have separate computational nodes which are independent, which means every individual has its own memory, CPU, etc. And they all are connected with each other through a network. It can be a local area network, or it can be a metropolitan area network, or it can be a wide area network. And they can communicate with each other as they all are connected by the network. So, the distributed operating system is a software over a collection of independent, networked, communicating, and physically separate computational nodes. So, this operating system is distributed over all these computational nodes but not present over a single node. Now, let us try to understand how exactly it works. Let us consider a distributed system. And let us say a user creates a process at site A. The process is not always executed at the site it is created. It may be executed at different sites, or the process is divided into multiple subprocesses and get executed on different sites. What are the reasons behind doing this? Few are there. Now we will see. First one is load balancing. Distributing the process over different sites. Also distribute the load evenly on all sites. Second reason is computation speed up. As multiple sites would execute the process, the computation time or execution time required would be less. The third reason is hardware preference. As each node has its independent hardware, some process may require a specific hardware which may be available at different sites. The next reason is data access. Process may need different files which are at different remote locations. So transferring every file is a tough job. So it is better that process is executed at sites where the files are present. Distributed operating system is loosely coupled. What is loosely coupled? The individual node in the system doesn't share the memory. Every node has its independent memory. And the system which share the memory is called tightly coupled system. Now we will see some of the goals of the distributed operating system. These are also called as features of operating system or features of distributed operating system. First one is connecting users and resources. As the system is distributed, resources and users are at different locations, so the operating system must make it easy for the users to get access to remote resources present at remote locations. Transparency. The operating system and resources are physically shared across multiple computers. process also gets executed at multiple sites, but the goal of distributed operating system is to make the user believe that he is working on a single computer system. The complexity behind the system must be hidden from the user. Scalability. The distributed operating system is distributed over many computers. The goal is to scale or work efficiently on a system that can be very large. The increasing number should never be the problem, and the system should work efficiently. Next one is reliability. The operating system is distributed across many computers. If one of the computer fails, the work should not interrupted. If the same happens on single computer system, then there is no risk from that. But on distributed operating system, there is more reliability as everything is distributed and not dependent on one centralized system. Performance. The distributed operating system must be more fast and efficient in working. It can be fast response time, better throughput, proper memory utilization, and network utilization, etc. So, these all are the goals of a distributed operating system. Hope you all understood the concept. If you find the video helpful, please like the video and share it with your friends who need to clear the concept. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also press the bell icon for more new updates. Thank you.